welcome you all in e-learning. Today we are going to see class 10 Sanskrit chapter number 11 Yashya Jananam Tashya Maranam. The one who is born is surely going to die. Dear students, already we have seen first part of the same chapter in which introduction and beginning is there, and it is already linked into the description. Remaining lesson we will see in this video. We have seen up to here that Putnatha is bringing some new utensils with the old one, and by seeing that utensils, Vidyasa was surprised. He was surprised by the sight of that new utensils. Up to here we have seen, and he said that Bho Vayashkaha etani patrani mama na santi. Bho Vayashkaha, O friend, etani patrani, these vessels mama na santi, is not mine. O friend, these utensils are not mine. Kutanathah akathayata, mitra, yani patrani bhavata dattani, dattani mama bruhe ratro prasutani. He says that, O friend, yani patrani, which utensils, bhavata means by you, dattani is given, tani, that, mama gruhe, at my home, ratro means at the time of night, prasutani means gave birth. So he said that when Vidyasa is telling to Putnath that, O friend, these utensils are not mine. So Putnath replies, he said, friend, the utensils that were given by you to me gave birth in my house at night. So, etani labhuni nuttanani patrani bhavatah patranam patyani santi. Etani means this, labhuni means small, nuttanani means new, patrani means utensils, bhavatah means yours, patyani santi. So this new utensils are the young ones of yours utensils. These utensils are the young ones of your utensils. So when Vidyasa is surprised, he said that these utensils are not mine. So Putnath answered him. He replies, he said that, friend, the utensils that were given by you to me gave birth to new utensils in my house at night. These new utensils are the young ones of yours utensils. These utensils are the young one of yours utensils. अपत्य रूपेण नूतनानि पात्राणि संप्राप्य विद्यासः प्रसन्नः जातः. Apatya rupena, in the form of new utensils, samprapya, after receiving, Vidyasah prasanna jatah. So he is happy, he is pleased when he got new utensils. Now let us see the word meaning. Yani means which. Patrani, we have already seen this word. Bhavata means by you. Dattani means given. Tani, those. Mama gruhe, at my home. At my home. Ratro means night. At night. Prasutani, give birth to the new utensils. Etani means this. Etani. Laguni. Laguni means small. Nuttanani means new. Patrani is known by you. Patranam patyani santi. Apatya rupena. In the form of a child. In the form of child. Nuttanani patrani samprapya. After receiving Vitadasa Prasanna. So pleased or happy. Jata became. So when Vidasa is getting new small shiny glittering vessels, utensils, he got pleased. व्यतीतेषु कतिपयेषु दिवसेषु कुटनाथः पुनरपि वितदासं पात्रार्थं प्रार्थयत्. व्यतीतेषु कतिपयेषु दिवसेषु, when some days passed, Kutanath punarapi, Kutanath again, Vitadasam to Vitadas, Patrartham prarthayat, for the utensils asked. So when some days passed, Kutnatha again asked Vidasa for the utensils for preparing food. Okay, so again he asked for some utensils. Vyatiteshu katipayeshu divseshu. So this word Vyatiteshu katipayeshu and divseshu. Vyatiteshu katipayeshu divseshu. So when some days passed, punarapi again patrartha for utensils prarthayat requested or asked. When some days passed, Kutnath again requested Vidasa for the utensils. पदत्तेभ्यः पात्रेभ्यः अपि अधिकानां पात्राणां लाभो भविष्यति इति दुर्मत्या प्रेरितो वितदासः तस्मै सर्वाणि इष्टानि पात्राणि दत्तवान्. प्रदत्तेभ्यः पात्रेभ्यः, so whatever utensils is given, adhikana means more, patranam labho bhavishyati, patranam means of utensils, labh means benefit, or bhavishyati means will happen, iti like this, durmatyah with evil mind, prerito means inspired, Vitadasa tasme means to him, means Kutnath sarvani, whatever is needed, ishtani, whatever is desired, patrani, patrani means utensils, datwan, datwan means gave. See, already once what Putnatha did, he borrowed some utensils from the Viddas, and in return he has added few more utensils which is new, glittery, shiny. So this time when he has asked for the utensils, so when Putnatha is asking for utensils, Viddas, now Viddas was thinking that there would be again more utensils, there would be again I will get more utensils in return. So by this thought he inspired and he gave whatever utensils is desired by Putanath. So by this wrong thinking that there would be again of even more utensils than the utensils he gave, so he gives whatever is desired by Putanath. Now let me see the word meaning. Adhikana, adhikana means of more, of more. Patranam, patranam of utensils. Labha, labha means benefit. Bhavishyati will happen. Iti, this. Durmati, durmatya, here there is word durmatya. Here we will take it as a evil mind. And prerita, prerita means inspired. Inspired. Prerito, inspired. Vidasa tasmi, tasmi means to him. Tasmi means to him. Sarvani, ishtani, sarvani means all or needed. Ishtani means wish or desire. Wish or patrani, datwan, datwan means give. Here we have seen that when some days passed, Putnatha again requested Vitdasa for the utensils. Now Vitdasa, prompted by the wrong thinking that this time also Putnath will return few more utensils, new utensils, and by this evil thought, inspired by this evil thought, he gave utensils to Putnath whatever in quantity he desired. Now see, व्यतितेरपि एकमासे यदा कूटनाथ पात्राणि न प्रत्यर्पितवान् तदा चिन्तामापन्नः. व्यतितेरपि एकमासे, when 1 month is passed. व्यतितेरपि एकमासे, when 1 month is passed. After passing 1 month, कूटनाथ पात्राणि न प्रत्यर्पितवान्. न प्रत्यर्पितवान् means did not return. Tada, then Chintamappanam, become worried. Vitdasa, Vitdasa, Putnatha Gruham, at the home of Putnatha, Gatva, going, and Swakyani Patrani Ayacha. Swakyani Patrani Ayacha. He asked for his own utensils. So here we can see that even after a month passed, when Putnatha did not return the utensils of Vitdasa, who was worried and went to the home of Putnatha, or went at the house of Putnatha and asked for his utensils. Asked for his own utensils. Now let me write down the word meaning. व्यतितेदपि एकमासे. व्यतितेदपि एकमासे. Even after 1 month passed. Even after 1 month passed. न प्रत्यर्पितवान्. Means did not return. Tada. Then चिंतामापनं. Worried. वितदास पुनः गृह गत्वा. गत्वा by going. स्वकीयानि पात्राणि. Means old. And patrani we have already seen, vessels. Ayachak. Ayachak means ask or he told about to return. Okay, so even after a 1 month passed, right, when Putnatha did not return the vessels of Vitdasa, now Vitdasa, who was worried, he went to Putnatha's house and asked for the utensils, asked for his own utensils. Putnatha sasokam akatayat. Putnatha sasokam akatayat. Putnath sasok means with great dejection. Akatayat said, भवतः सर्वाणि पात्राणि मृतानि. भवतः सर्वाणि पात्राणि मृतानि. भवतः means yours, सर्वाणि all, पात्राणि utensils, मृतानि is died. He says with a feeling of dejection, he said with a feeling of dejection that all your utensils are died. All your utensils died. Sashokam means with dejection, with great compassion. He said, Bhavatah, yours, sarvani patrani mrutani. Sarvani patrani mrutani, your all utensils died. Vitdasa कोपाविष्टः सन् अकथयत्, एवं कथं भवेत्, भो वचः त्वं मिथ्या वदसि. Vitdasa कोपाविष्टः. Now Vitdas is angry and akathayat, he said, evam katham bhavet, how it will happen, how it will happen. Bo vachah, oh you are a cheater. Tvam mithya vadasi. Tvam means you, mithya means lie, and vadasi means speaking. You are speaking lie, or you are telling a lie. Now further, nirjivanam patranam maranam katham sambhavati. Nirjivanam patranam maranam katham sambhavati. Nirjiv means inanimated, patra means vessels, maranam means death, katham means how, and sambhavati is possible. He said, now when Putnatha said with great dejection that all your utensils died, all your utensils died. After listening words of Putnatha, Vidyadasa gets angry and being overcome with anger, Vidyadasa said that how it will happen that, "O cheater, you are telling a lie. O cheater, you are telling a lie. How is the death of inanimated object or a non-living object like utensils possible?" So, let me see the word meaning. Upavistava. Upavistava. Akathayata, saying. Evam katham bhavati. Katham means how, and bhavati means becoming. Go vachagava. Cheater. Tvam means you. Mithya means lie. Vadasi means telling. You are telling lie. Nirjivana. Nirjivana means non-living, or we can say inanimate. Inanimate. Patranam maranam katham. Katham means already we have seen how, and sambhavati means possible. How is it possible to have death of inanimated object? O liar, O cheater, you are speaking lie. And how is the death of inanimated utensils possible? Kutnath Dhairyam Avlambya Santvachasa Avadata. Dhairyam means courage and Avlambya means plucking up. By plucking up courage, Santvachasa, in a peaceful voice, Avadata, saying, Mahoday, gentlemen, Yadi Patranam Janma Bhavati, if the utensils can take birth, if the utensils can give birth, Tarhi Tesham Maranam Api Bhavati, then it can die also. Purvam Jatani Patrani Bhavatah Gruhe Virasanti. Purve Jatani means born, Patrani means utensils, Bhavatah Gruhe, at your home, Virasanti is shining. Right? See, the utensils which are born earlier are shining in your house. Yani Patrani Bhavatriha Datani, which utensils given by you, Tani Mahama Grutani, that utensils died at my home. Tatra aham kim kartum samartha. Then what can I do in this? What can I do in this matter? Pashya. See, Janma Bhavati Patranam Marane Sanchaya Katham. Janma Bhavati Patranam Marane Sanchaya Katham. See, the birth of utensils takes place. Then how can there be a doubt about their death? If the utensils can give birth, then why you are having doubt in its death? Jagati yat samutpanam nashyati sarvata dhruvam. Jagati yat samutpanam, Jagat means in this world, yat samutpanam, whatever is born, whatever is produced, nashyati is destroyed. It surely gets destroyed in this world. So, here when Vidyadasa is asking that how it is possible, the death of inanimated utensils, how the inanimated utensils died, how is possible, then Putnath replies that by plucking up his courage, he said in a quiet of utensils can take place, even that is likely, even that can happen or can do. So utensils which are born earlier is shining, is glittering at your house, right? So the utensils that laid by me or that has given by you to me died in my house. So what can I do in this? What can I do in this? Afterwards he says that the birth of utensils take place. So how can there be a doubt in their death? If you are believing in the birth of utensils, then why you are having doubt in its death? So in this world, whatever is product or born surely gets destroyed. So by saying this word here, Putnatha is finally doing cheat with Dasa. He made a fraud with Dasa. Here our lesson is over. Let me see few word meaning. Dhairyam means looking up courage. Further, Santvajisa Santvajisa in a peaceful voice. Avadana said, Vilasanti. He is shining or glittering. Or we can say shining. Further, Aham Kim Kartam Samartha. Shanshaya. Doubt. Yet Samkhana. One which is born. Yet Samkhana. Nashyati. Nashyati means dies. Okay. Or is destroyed. Saratha means always, and Dhruva means surely. So here we have seen two neighbors, Viddas and Putnath. Both of them are merchant, and Viddasa is rich and prosperous merchant, but then also is very greedy. On other side, Putnatha is master in fraud, in cheating. Now Putnatha is thinking that Viddasa is very much rich and then also is greedy. So anyhow I want to cheat him. So he made a plan, and afterwards he executed his plan properly. And finally he has cheated with Dasa. Here our lesson number 11, Yasya Jananam Tasya Maranam, is over. You may copy down these words in your notebook.